Do ya wa bedena. Itu do ya o. Edo di ro wa ke do di risi. Itu wa ya o wa bedena wa bo wie wa baba wa bota. Wa ya fefe wa bo kan o. Awese uki ogedo. Na ipede no give aba uki no give se upona. No uki me no. I will marry the so ak mo salo bua wa buki me. Okay na wa me no kimbe ni manedo munda na uki me na ya gwa uki me kidugi se na ya gwa ya gwe nyaye oto na ya gwe ma na ya gwe na ya gwe ma be otedo ere de akomo salo bua o ida me we ni tabi yen be o tuki me uki me munda uki na ya gwa awe ni wane de uki me ni afie yi eke ni adiga yi ewu akin o yan wo bo yan mugbo yan gbogo na ya mama mi we bi ya ba bi ba wa yan ire ba awe ko mo sa ye agbona ori ni ma na be awe yin awe du sa ba ri ni ma no bo je do wo ya ma do wa ma do de ma e mo wa me de ya ma takin ma do de awe ma nenu gbo na kana do wa be mo wa be guane e ma ba so guane yen ge nya zo na o be ma so ari fie ma ojo ya ki o ya ma ni ma o gbo ni ma mo ere yi mu ma mi ma e o mi ma ri de o di eko edo ya ga ma da o e do a bien o gbo ogo no re ki na do no o wa o de no afian be ga ro ni ma na do salo ba ni ra no ke de ne wo so not here I will must said there wo jagbon mama even married who na ge won hu ari yi body manedo agbon ku ma kan te agubian ba ma wo ri akemi to ni manedo ja mi e kidana mi ogedo no mo yen no ama no amwa no ama la o da o we ebi ya fe no yi no igwe do kan salo ba no go do o to bo gbinigbina do la ho ajobi agbama o eni Jesu Christi to bo hia agbono ho to bo hia agbono ho salo ba no wo do wo nya gbon nya mi wo nya to nya fun e kele ma je na wo win ma river manedo e manaro la ho je fu ma gbe e ja ke ki ma be do e ka abibi ma be do je kun we sirie do to o ma agbono we sirie do to lo be do be gba ma be mu so be ma ho yin ya be ni Jesu Christi to be saloboa iṣẹ́ wa ya we iṣẹ́ o iṣẹ́ wo bo kan wa no ere e mana wa gba Festus Osaro wa ka re si obo kan o free mi lo so abo kan o abu so ma obo kan o Richard Osunde obo kan o e so jodu wa obo kan o Ibota obo kan o eni ma ni ro wa se ihin na wa ni ba ipon wa no re egen wa mu na de atore do sa bo afian gbe ni wa o enjina mama ana o ye o salobo Ibota re do no this is a do Ibota for all people come and learn Edo today we have a special program of Edo gathering we are teaching and learning Edo wakoyo na ma we na we zegwagwa awe zegwagwa runda oke ogbon wa we lana ma do awe mi pa odo aye na yegbe wu o ma e ma na zegwagwa ma we zegwagwa na runda ni na even ni ma u oge ni magmene kede do ade ni ma we na Edo na ze bi egehia Edo na ze bi egehia e ma so na bi ano me we na ni maya do wa ya ba do maya do he Edo na ze egehia ya oni awo ni mi ari gwa azo ni oge do na ze egehia e ma we na o wa ya fe wa de ba me o na di yobo me o ma ya nota be where no more with another work going and oh, in my young gay, then me ya you go kicking out more. It do not say ya more. You book my be your dog more. What you be a canny rule, what you have a hoodie rule, what I have about the whole answer to what you do. What you become a moon pemico, yes, who what you do when you do go. I went, having my eye. You cannot yet share cookie. I am well at Danny and Degay. You know, when I'm my edo. Biba having me a bima, man be a whip. Can man be a Nigeria? So don't lay handle. Wagayo. Okay, my ye book one, my ye dog one. Hello, on your no cow. Hello, but do I have tear? Hello, on your cool yo. Edo. Hello, Ibota. Edo atoma edo aita ko yo. Daga biaka de wo ni awo ko yo. On your way salutation look out edo. Look give. Hello, you all. Hello, plural. Hello, plural, more than one person. Hello, you all. More than one person. Well, even my agmo edo. Wa ko yo. Wakoyo adega wana you plural wakoyo abeli obe egbon wa ni kwana fo you all obe wahia koyo dega wahia koyo I my money wahia koyo wakoyo ni odoka you all wahia koyo wa my money o manebe iku oge egon nebi edo wabi amaya wabi video get na we mwela dia ni awe adege hello koyo hello you all tura wa koyo wa ya no tura wa ya koyo adege oge do no wa pobo den do oge do die dia gbe edo no oge do edo na ze de here I'm my wedding there. I wouldn't be carrying our only as yo. A high come out, married papa. A high come. Come! I'm never done that, Johnny. Come! But by that I will do. Larry, Hona, Larry, no, come. If you have not learned that do before, learn it now. When you say come, in the do language is Larry. All right. Okay. When you say come quick or come quickly, you can tell children, come quickly. Now, come quickly. Okay. Larry Gegia. You can also say it the other way. Gegia Larry. Larry Gegia. Those who speak and do properly, you can also add air to this. Larry Gegia is the same thing. Larry Gegia. Come quickly. Okay? Then you can ask somebody, say, where are you? Where are you? I don't see you. Where are you? Say, where are you going? Where are you going? It's a question. In a Edo language, it is, Wadiye. See, Wadiye. Wadiye, R-I-E. Wadiye is not R-O-H-I-E. Oh. Hey, Wadiye. Wadiye. Yeah. Where are you going? Ask your son, where are you going? Or your daughter, where are you going? Where are you? Or your child can ask you, say, Baba, Daddy, where are you going? Where are you? Come. That is Larry. Come quickly. Larry, get. Larry, get. Okay? Where are you going? Where are you? Where are you going? Where are you? So let our children take note of this. It's very easy to learn. Very good. We want to do. Yeah. What we do? Okay. When your child will come and say, here I am. Raven. In a door you say, Raven. Here I am. Look at me. Raven. Very, very easy. Raven. Look at me. Amen. Here I am. Okay. Then they say, I have come. When your child will say, I have come. How do you say, I have come? Irene. Irene. You tell your child to say, Irene, I have come. I have come. They're waiting for you. You say, I have come. Irene. You see it? All right. Then the person who asks you to come, he will tell you, welcome, right? Obohian. Obohian. See, Obohian. We put this apostrophe here to show that there is a letter missing there. There's a letter missing there. The letter is E, letter E. Obohian. Obohian. So we take that A away and say, Obohian. This is everyday use of language. But if you are writing it, you better put E here and say, Obohian. But in everyday language, you don't put that. You say, Obohian. Obohian. You see it? So when your dad comes back from work, then you say, Obohian. You can add Baba to it and say, Obohian Baba. You see what I mean? Obohian, welcome, mama, welcome, daddy. Okay? Then every day we say bye-bye. Bye-bye in a do is Ohian Zekbe. Ohian Zekbe in everyday speech. Ohian Zekbe. Okay, the true meaning is Ohian Zekbe. Ohian Zekbe. But in everyday language, you say Ohian Zekbe. Ohian Zekbe. See the A here. Ohian Zekbe. Some people will say Ohian Zekbe. Yeah, Ohian Zekbe is correct. But Edo, when you speak Edo, it has a tonation. Ohian Zekbe. Ohian Zekbe. Bye-bye. So we learn 3 here, or 4. Here I am, Raven. Okay, I have come. Irene. See it? Then you say, welcome to you. Welcome. Obohian. Then you say bye-bye to the person. Say, Ohian Zekbe. I hope you get it. See, pull this up for your children to learn. Pull it up for your husband or wife who doesn't speak Edo to learn everyday speech. Okay? Okay. Obedo. We're getting to it now. All right. Go. You tell anybody, go. In another language is ba. Go, ba. Very, very simple. Ba. Very simple. Ba. Okay. Go away. Gakian. Go away. Gakian. See, Gakian. Gakian. Go away. Gakian. Okay? Very simple. Gakian. Then you say, I'm going. Your child may tell you, I'm going. How do you say that in Edo? I am going. You get me? Hey. Then when you are gone, you're left there, then you want to tell your dad that he may be calling you. Then you say, I'm gone. You know, I am gone. I'm no longer there. I'm gone. When he's calling you, hey daddy, I'm not there anymore. I'm gone. See? Very simple. We learn Edo, very simple. Pull this up from YouTube and let your children learn it. So we'll be doing this every month so that our children, our wives, our husbands, our spouses, they will learn simple Edo and you'll be speaking it in your house. See, today Go means pa. Go pa in the do pa. Go away in the do you say rakian. Rakian. I'm going. If your child tells you I'm going, you can't. You can't. I'm going on the errand. The way you sent me. I'm going, you can't. And then when they say, are you still there? I sent you away to go somewhere. You say, no, I'm gone. You say, Ikbane. Ikbane. Ikba. Ba, you drag it down. Ikbane. You get it? So very simple. Edo language. Kobanedo. Yeah. Ini wa ni rowa. Wa bun e na wa we buy wa no yo so lobo. Yo so lobo. My money you wala o. Bie ba e mo abi ma yan edo. Kedi rowa kedi re egwebo. I say. Well, give me. That is something you say every day. Give me. How do you say that in the do? Rieme. Rieme. Give me. Rieme. You ask a child to give you a spoon or a pen. Say, give me. Rieme. Say it. Rieme. I should have said, take. How about it? When you say take, when you bring it, you say take. Take. You say, me. Okay? When you bring the spoon or the pen, you say, take. Take. How do you say that to your daddy or somebody? Say, me. Oh, me. Hold on. See? Take. Take. Whatever you brought, you say, take. Me. Me. You see, very, very easy. When you say, give me, you say, yeah, me. Then when you bring the thing, you brought the thing, whatever you brought to daddy, maybe a phone, the phone, or a pen, or a spoon. You say, me. Take. Me. Tell your daddy, me, Baba. Take, daddy. Me. Okay? Then, when you want to give something to somebody, you say, come, take. Come and take. In Nigeria, we say, come and take. Come, take. Then you say, Dorie. Come, take. Dorie. Dorie. When your child is asking you for something, or somebody's asking you for something, you want the person to come to you and to take it. You say, tell the person, Dorie. Say it. Dorie. Come, take. Come, take. Dorie. Get that? Very simple. Oh, Dorie. Dorie go. If it is money, you say, Dorie go. Whatever it is. All right? All right. Then the person you are giving something, after the person takes the thing, the person will say, thank you. Thank you. Uwese in a do, you say, Uwese. Hey? Wow. Uwese, you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Uwese, sometimes the subject comes before the object in a language, as it is in Hebrew also. Uwese, you, thank you. You, thanks. Thank you. Uwese. Okay, I have seen some people, listen to this. I have seen some people say Uwese, they write it like this. Oh, man. I've seen some people write Uwese like this. Look at it. U R-H U-E-S-E. Uruese. That is not right. That is not right. Uruese. Oh, Uruese. You did well. Uruese. And also, listen to this. Edo, I've seen some people also write it like this. This is wrong, and this is wrong. I've seen some people write it like this also. Uwese. U-W-E-S-E. Uwese. Uwese. That is wrong also. What they give internal? Uwese. 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 You know, the right thing is Uwese. 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 The word is ru. R-U. You do well. Do. Ru. L-ru. Ru. Uwese. You are doing well, or you did well. There are many people making this mistake. You know, see one resource. Baba o, Obuyiran, Baba o, ebe you o, adege, apopana do. Yeah, do the young people, not avoid. Do, and I'm looking for what for the babana. Yeah, go. Thank you, Dad. Oh, all children will be able to learn this very quickly. Thank you, Dad. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Right time, do. Urese Baba. Hey! Urese Baba. Very easy to learn. And your father or daddy will be very happy to hear you say that to him. Urese Baba. Thank you, Dad. Or thank you, Daddy. And okay, on the other way, you say, thank you, Mom. Or thank you, Mommy. Then say, and I do you say, Urese Iye. Urese Iye. Iye is mother. Mother. If you want to say my mother, then you say, Urese Iye, man. Iye, man. Urese Iye. Urese Iye, man. I think we should all say thank you to our mother every day. Yes. It's worth saying. Urese Iye, man. Urese Iye. Good. Then, if you want to say thank you to people who have more than one person, 2 person, 3 person, they are together, then you say, thank you all. Thank you all. You see? Warese, plural. Warese, when it's more than 1 person, you say wa. Warese. Or you can also say it the other way around, say, Wahiawese. You all, thank you. You all, thank you. Wahiawese, thank you all. Thank you all. Here is all. Okay? So when you want to say thank you to daddy and mommy or your brothers and sisters, say thank you all. You say Wawese. You say Wahiawese. In proper Edo, you bend your knees or you kneel down to say thank you. You know, you put your knees on the floor to say thank you. Yes, that's the way, the proper value in thank you in Edo language. Say thank you, Baba. Uwe say Baba. Uwe say ye. I mean, See, your father gives you money to take to school. Say thank you. Who say Baba? You know what I mean? From now on, say it in the do. Your father gives you a key to drive his car. You say who say Baba? Your mother gives you food. Say who say ye? Who say ye? Thank you all. You want to say thank you to the whole family, father and mother. Say thank you all. Why say? Why say? If you want to emphasize, you say why here we say for emphasis. You all why here we say. Okay, we'll be doing this every month so that we'll be learning to do everyday speeches, everyday common speaking in Edo, daily words, daily expressions in Edo. By the grace of God, we'll be doing it. Okay? So that we'll know how to say something in the Edo language. Ya yo hiendiwa, ya yo ma, ya yo wa. Yo salwa, yo wa ya fe, ben wa ya re na. Igogo, ekome ya wa hiendiwa. Ya yewi ya ma. Ma ya fianka. Kongwa no re o. Abusoma wese. Fewedo wese. Usagidu wa wese. No magin koyo Sozigbo wese Igbinosa wese Usageduwa wese ayi Osunde wese Osunde koyo Igbinosa itodina first of saro wo kare na oya fe no muegedo ya wo gedo na usaro bo ga fiambu wa ya fe anyone ro wa na wa abun we na wa iwe ha iwe ne o wa re na usaro bo afiambu wa wa ya to wa gon wa ya pewo ebi ya fe wa ri bo yo ga manu wa ya fe no mogedo no ma so ba ga wo wa no ma o ebi ni wa gwa lo ya fe wa su wa bo ebi Jesu Christi edo ga mayo o ga von yo Edo wa biele ba mo ni wa biele ba mo ni ma bunyo upopo twe you know na si wo na eni na mi wisdom Edo wa gai kwegbe mu wa gai ko ya o mami e wo ya bu wa Edo mami e wo ya bu you ni so ni ya mami wi abu ya wa very oko mi a ke very wu ta wa gbon odoni na biele ya biele manedo ai ko gbe mu wa biele wona ebi ni ara ere money ebe sagbagi o na gbibiedo awa sagbagi o na gbibiedo biedo gobo biedo nri biedo gwa le yan gwa ton be ma gwa gobo be ma mi ere yara mani ma o ise ọba ẹwà ìnọrẹdọ àìtó ìpẹbẹkété ẹrí ẹgà má wàrí ẹgà má ọyẹpẹ wọn dúkìá ọba ìlóbọ efo ìṣe ọba ìlóbọ ewì o ìṣe ọba àtọ ọpẹ ìṣe ìṣiṣẹ wàhíàdọmọ o oríṣiríṣi ẹdẹ ìhàn ẹ ẹtún sàlóbùà wàhíà rẹ adé ẹgbẹgbù adé wàrí kẹwò gbàgbé adé náà wúwo ẹ náà ọrẹdọ náà wọ ẹ náà ẹ wà kí àyà wọn gbà wọ ọrẹdọ ẹ náà o awa ya wewe kakabo ke do wa ke do si ya be de ge aya wewe na akuyo wa se gian ya o o wi ado o baba do wa wi ye do o wi ti ma ya fe do wa baba